Okay guys, strings are off. Okay, now we're going to remove the pick guard. I don't have my lav mic on. I hope you guys can hear okay. I have Joda running around in here. This is the main reason why I waited so long. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take this off because it's what's going to be removed. And all of my little guys, I'll stick them right there. I have not yet heated up the iron, and boy, I hope that thing works. It's brand new. Last time I took this pick guard off, I had the strings left on it. And I need to go ahead and clean this thing up too. You can tell some of these screws are kind of rusty. It looks like they tried to relic it, you know, but like kind of got a little bit scared and only went like a mild relic. Oh boy, I got bugs flying in my face. I opened the back door. Some guy told me that with these squires, and make sure you put the same screw back in the same hole. Man, I mean, I'm just gonna take my luck. Yeah, I've already removed it once before, so I know you guys aren't being able to see much because of the way I got the camera angle. The main thing is going to be just me getting this thing soldered in and put in. And I already recorded a quick little before in case people don't want to go back and look at other videos with me playing this thing, which I totally understand. I still don't have a definite idea of what I'm going to do. I think I'm just going to work out what wires that I need to keep that's in this, and then what wires need to be added. I shouldn't have to add anything. I'm just going to put in what I think I need. And I'd like to get this done tonight, because I put it off too long. I'm not afraid to solder or anything. It's just, you know, I'm known to kind of procrastinate a little bit, but I hope you guys can see that okay. I am sorry about the lighting. I've got crap lighting. But I'm in a camper and I have one light. All the other lights kind of burn out. Well, the capacitor that's running off of the inner, or the, what you call it, the inverter is kind of humming a little bit. So, all right, so here's what we got. Trim claw. So, all right, so yeah, this is going to be fun. I don't know if I need to take it off the trim claw so I have more access to getting the wire in, then feed it through and redo it. Shit, I didn't really want to have to mess with that. But yeah, there's two wires here. So one looks like I can just unscrew it from the body, but then of course I have to solder it. So I need to heat the soldering iron up and get this off. At one time I was able to flip it. There we go. Okay, good. Okay, so no problems. All right, so the way I'm going to try to do this without taking the jack out, I need to take this off. I need to take this off. This and this, 4 wires. Okay, so yeah, 3 black wires. And then that one. And the 3 I can just wrap up together. Solder, okay. Yeah, and then main one into to the center. So 3 on the back of the pot, the black ones, 3 on the back, 1 on the center. That's all it is. Okay, so let me heat up the iron here and I'll be right back. All right, so this guy's plugged in. There's no on-off switch. Do I have it on? Yeah, because it's got light in here. Yeah, I can hear it making little noises. Ooh, and I can smell it. Please don't kill me. First, let's get this little white one out here. Do I need to tin it? Has it been long enough yet? It's not hot enough yet. Well, this thing, sure, I don't like the smell of it. I didn't feel comfortable using this because of Joda. So that's why everything's up on this table and away from him. And I don't know how long this thing's supposed to take to get all the way hot. And it's cheap. I haven't tried to tighten the screw or anything. I just pulled it right out of the package. And everybody says I need to tin it and all this, but there's solder already on this stuff here. I'm waiting on it to get hot enough, hopefully, to pull all this off. And then try to wrap these guys together. Yeah, it's definitely not hot enough. Now we're getting hot, okay. Okay, good. One. Kind of weird how that one got nice and hot, now it ain't hot no more or something. Is there a short in this thing? Don't want to burn my cloth wiring. Oh my God, is that solder? Cool, finally. Nice. All right. Yeah. All right. One pick guard down, or off. Put it where Rue can't get to it. Now, I guess I'll leave this thing kind of hot. I'm going to go ahead and do what they call tinning it. Oh shit, drip right on my damn cloth here. I might have ruined this tip already. I don't care. Once I get this damn thing on, I'll be happy. But see, I got to be careful because this stand's a piece of crap. Alright, just can't bump that. Alright, yep, I need this. Well, okay, this is not working at all. Oh, this is pissing me off. Yeah. That's gonna have to do, man. Because this wire, these cutters here, they do not. Nice. Okay, that works. So it's just that trim claw wire that's being a piece of crap, I think. Hold on. Okay, cool. There. Oh, well. Now let's go ahead and, what do they say, tin these. Which I think this thing's probably done burn up already by now. Okay, so I suck. I don't know if this damn thing's still hot or not. I don't know what's happening. So, let me see. Yeah, this iron's like burning up already. So what I'm going to hurry up and try to do is get this damn thing going. Okay, both of these. All right, give me this one. All right, it's gonna go this way, so big old glob here. It's weird. It's like this iron is not getting hot or something. Oh, I have to... Shit! I hit that wire. I gotta be careful. Go this way. Fuck off, bug. What if I lay this one in there? Like that. So I don't understand this thing. I don't get it. It get hot. Shit. It's just beating up. What's going on with this? See, it's not even melting the solder that's on here already. I don't get it. What if I just stick it right here? Damn it. I'm too damn shaky. Shit. This is just is not working very well for me. Damn, that wire's like barely even in there. Okay, I think I'm seeing what the problem is. The heat is not on the tip. It's way over here on the side, I think. Okay. Good. Oh my God. That's kind of embarrassing. All right, now this one. Does it have to go on the volume? I'm gonna put the other one on the volume, I think. I don't know. All right, come on, work, please work. What? Okay. Damn, man. Does it matter what volume pot it goes on? Son of a bitch, I keep burning the freaking wires, man. Damn. Oh, I've probably ruined this damn thing because of a shitty ass gun. This thing sucks, guys. I'm telling you, do not buy this gun. I mean, look. It's not doing anything. I don't get it. I do not understand this iron. Oh. Got it. That's on there. Fuck it. All right. Now what? Come on, man. Let me just get one more on there, please. Oh, son of a bitch. All right. That's a shitty job, but it looks like it's on there. Oh my God, one more. Please tell me that's all. All right. All right. Guys, I haven't been this shaky and I've done hit other wires I ain't supposed to be hitting. And this iron is hot. You know what? I'm going to try to... Fuck that. Hold it. Whoa, 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 what did I do? Oh. Oh, it was so close. Got it. Got it. Oh, please tell me that's it. Feels good. Feels good. Feels good. That's it. I'm unplugging this shit. Oh my God, you guys are gonna make fun of me, but I'm telling you, it's not my fault. It's this iron. It's this iron. You had to hit it. You saw the whole... Well, I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but that was embarrassing. Holy crap. Anyway, let's get in there with the light. All right, I'm pausing. guys. I'm happy. Definitely less volume, but more clarity. I had a blast, guys. So to sum this long ass video up, let me put this thing down. Well, as much as I don't want to put it down, I gotta put it down. Okay, so this was a very long video, and first off, let me apologize for that. Let me get my hair in my hat here. I look like a freaking mess. I've been doing yard work, going running around all the damn little old places. I need my head shaved, guys. You know, at my age, I mean, I don't go anywhere. I don't do anything. So, I mean, I should probably care more. But, you know, this video is about music, not about how I'm gelling my hair back. So I apologize. I guess it's the man in us all when we get older. There you are. So, thank you guys so much for standing through this. Oh my God, I hope you had some laughs. I hope it taught a few of you, as it did me, a little bit of humility with something as simple as soldering something together. Get the right tool. I spoke to my son-in-law a little while ago, and he told me that it may not have been the soldering iron. It could have been, you know, that maybe I just had no freaking clue what I was doing, though I watched tons of videos. I watched everybody else do it. I tried what they did. It just didn't work for me. I started getting aggravated. My hand was shaking. Anyway, I really do appreciate you guys checking this out. This channel has become very important to me. Meeting everybody out there. A lot of you followed me on this long journey into guitar. You know, playing drums was great. It was my life. And then here I am now, not only just playing guitar and enjoying the hell out of it, meeting cool people. It's the journey, the depths inside of it too. It's the art. It's the community. You know, tearing things apart, you know, and here I am putting pickups in a guitar. I thought, like, you know. But so far, guys, I'm pleased with these pickups. I understand now more about higher output. Just means you got to turn your amp up a little bit more. I'm all good with it. I like it. I think you can leave your what you guys think and what you think of these pickups. I'll try to put the before in the video. They won't be side by side, I'm sorry. But you'll hear me in the beginning play the guitar, then you'll see me fumble around with the soldering iron making an ass of myself. Then I think that's about it, then me coming and playing. But this took about 6 hours worth of me, just because I had to leave, do stuff. I took a phone call for about 1 hour and 45 minutes, and then decided to play. I strung it up, whatever. Anyway, thank you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. If you didn't, you know, tell me what I could do better next time. And until then, Rue and I, we say peace.